Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in Yorkshire Bank's online banking account from your mobile device. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar type in Yorkshire Bank. After that, download the Yorkshire Bank mobile banking app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now you'll have to choose whether your banking account type is personal or business, and once you've selected it, tap Get Started. So now you'll have to enter your customer number. After that, tap Continue on the bottom side of the screen, and once you enter your password, you'll be successfully logged into your Yorkshire Bank's online banking account. Or you could also log in by using your personal details instead by tapping the option Enter Your Personal Details instead. And now you'll have to enter your first name, last name, address, etc. After that, you'll be successfully logged into your Yorkshire Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.